Hey YouTube, Miss Chandler 27 coming to you with a Target haul, actually Target.com. This is just another way to save money if you don't have time to really cut coupons or order coupons or buy coupons or whatever, however the coupons roll in. This is an alternate way to save money on things that we use every single day. So as you can see, I have some aluminum foil, which I needed. I have some Clorox and the Skivia Scentiva. I think that's what it's called, Scentiva multi-surface spray. As you can see, I have four of the Gain dish detergents and one Clorox bleach. And this is the, let me see, 121 fluid ounce. So this is the deal, guys. All of these items I use Cartwheel. So this is the key to saving money. I use Cartwheel, and I also had a $5 gift card. So this is how I started it off. Everything, well, the Clorox Skivia, there's a 15% off coupon for the, why do I keep calling it Skivia? Y'all, I'm so sorry. Scentiva. Okay, so for the Clorox Scentiva, there's a 15% off Cartwheel for that one. For the Gain dish soap, there's a 15% off coupon. For the Clorox bleach, there's a 15% off coupon with the Cartwheel. And then for the aluminum foil, there is a 10% off Cartwheel coupon. So for all of these items, I use Cartwheel coupons. On top of that, minus the foil, all of these items are spend 15, get a $5 gift card. So of course, all of these items add up to, it gets me to my $15 mark. I'm actually going to do the deal again because of course I bought over my limit for the $15, and they sent me a $5 gift card through my email, but I found a way to do it a little cheaper, and so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do it again, and when I do that deal, I'll come back and let you all know how that worked out. But these are my items with that promotion. Spend 15, get 5. On top of that, each item, there's a 15% off Cartwheel coupon, 10% Cartwheel coupon for the foil. So I did do, let me see, hold on, because I did write something down. Okay, so the Gain dish soap, and this is the big kind, this is not the little bottles, these are the big bottles, everything is full size. The Gain was $1.99. The Clorox multi-surface spray was $3.49. No, it was $3.49. The Clorox bleach was $3.99, and the foil was $3.39. All right, so after all of the discounts and the gift card, I paid $12.88, and I got back a $5 gift card. Now, I have some things in my cart now to get my total a little lower than what I paid for these items, but I needed foil, so I had to throw that in. But of course it will be cheaper because now I have my foil, and I want to do the deal again because I like to stock up on dish soap, and I love cleaning products and bleach. I had a huge stockpile of bleach and I don't have it anymore, so I'm going to try to stock up on these products. I use them every day, and I'm obsessed with laundry detergent and dish soap, so I'm going to do the deal again minus the foil. So when I do that deal, I will come back to you all and just let you know how I did on that. But nevertheless, $12.88, and got back a $5 gift card. So I'm going to do the deal again because every time you do the deal, they will send you the $5 gift card, and then you could just kind of roll that and do the deal again if you want to. And it's just easier shopping online versus going in the store, unless you have coupons, like physical coupons. I understand you going in the store, but this is for people who don't have physical coupons and who just want to do deals where they could kind of save by shopping online, and don't have to worry about the hustle of actually going in the store, getting everything, then going to the register and dealing with coupons. They have Cartwheel coupons that you can clip and use, do different deals and scenarios that way. So don't want to keep rambling, but this is my Target haul, and until my next video, you guys, be blessed.